Hi everyone, welcome to my Eid vlog. Welcome to my first vlog, and I'm really sorry if this vlog is gonna be a little shaky because I don't have a tripod, but I'm trying my best to vlog as much as possible. So I have started this vlog a night before Eid, मतलब कल सुबह Eid है, and I'm starting this vlog now because हम थोड़ा preparation करने वाले हैं. By that I mean we are gonna make shirkhuma. और एक ईद का व्लॉग बिना शिरकुमे के तो इनकम्प्लीट ही होता. So I thought I need to include this clip as well. So right now me and my mom, we are gonna go and make some shirkhuma, and I'm gonna share with you how we do that. Alright, so the last thing to do before sleeping is to iron my Eid outfit. This is my Eid outfit. I'll show you the entire look once I wear it tomorrow, but yeah, it's an entire pink outfit. Good morning everyone, a very happy Eid to each and every one of you. I wish you all a very happy and a safe Eid. So again, this year we are celebrating Eid at our homes with our family, but we're gonna enjoy that as well. Alright, so it's 7 o'clock in the morning and we all woke up like really early for our morning prayers, like at 4:30. And we are done with our morning prayers now. Now we all are gonna get ready, wear our new clothes and have shirkhuma. And I'm also gonna shoot a get ready with me, so wait for it. And yeah, I'm gonna take you through my day, what all we do and how we celebrate our Eid. So keep on watching. Hi guys, so I'm starting off with the DERMAVIVE Hydra Cleanser to clean my face. Then I'm using the Neutriderm Moisturizing Lotion to hydrate my skin as well as prep my skin for the further makeup. Then I'm using a lip gloss to hydrate my lips as well. Then I'm using this Cucumber Facial Mist and spraying it all over my face. Then I'm going in with the Benefit Car Brow to shape and fill in my eyebrows. Going in with the concealer, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Long Wear Concealer, and I'll use it all over my face because I'm gonna skip foundation today. I'm spraying a little bit of Fix Plus just so that the concealer would blend really nicely. Then I'm using the Swiss Beauty Concealer to highlight under my eyes. I am using a cream blush today so that my makeup looks more natural, and for that I am using the SERY blush. Then I'm using the loose powder from Swiss Beauty to set my under eyes and around my face. Then I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer to bring back the dimension on my face. Here I realized that I forgot to apply primer, but I was too lazy to do my makeup all over again. Then I'm spraying my face again with the Fix Plus to melt down the excess powder. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty palette to do my eyes. First I'm taking the brown shadow and creating a wing liner. And I'll smudge it with a bigger blending brush. Then I'm adding the henna shade into my crease just to add a little bit of warmth. Then I'm going in with a pink shade just to add a little hint of pink on my eyes because my outfit was a complete pink outfit. Then I'm using the NYB Kajal to tightline my lower and upper lash line. Then I'm going in with a Flower Beauty liquid lipstick. It was a perfect match with my eye look. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying some mascara, and I'm using the Damn Girl mascara by Benefit. To highlight my face, I'm using the Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter. It's a very beautiful and a subtle highlighter. And that's it for my look. Alright, so this is my final look. I really hope you enjoyed this short get ready with me. मैं बहुत जल्दी में तैयार हुई हूँ. I am really loving this look and this is my outfit. I'm gonna show you in a while complete outfit, and I got this from this website called Bunai. I'll link it in the description so that you can check it out. And the jewelry is my mom's. So yeah, so I'll quickly go now have something to eat because I'm very hungry, and I'll see you there. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Dadi Dada, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Push it all.
Brother. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Salgira Mubarak. इतना लंबा क्यों? So right now we are gonna celebrate my brother's birthday. Yes, he was born on Eid. Like he was born on 18th of January, but at that time in 1999 it was Eid. So we also celebrate his birthday on Eid. So that's what we're gonna do today. Also there is a special cake that just came in, and I'm gonna show you that. ये ईद का चांद पैदा हुआ था आज. काय का गिफ्ट? चल.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. ये कौन सी टोपी की स्टाइल है? माईदी प्लीज.
Happy Eid Mubarak Zarif.
थैंक यू. योर फर्स्ट ईदी.
Yes.
कैसी लग रहा है?
बहुत मजेदार. पहली बार ईद दे रहा.
Done with the day, and we are done celebrating our Eid. Eid is coming to an end, which makes me so sad, but inshallah it will come up next year as well. Also, it's very hot in this clothes and this jewelry. I'm just gonna take them off, wear something really comfortable and go to sleep because we are really tired. Lastly, thank you very much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'm sorry if I made any mistakes. It was my first vlog, so please pardon me for that. And if you did like this vlog, let me know in the comment section below. I might vlog more in the future as well. लोगों के सामने कैमरा निकाल के बात करना is really difficult, and I have experienced that today. So hats off to all those who do daily vlogs. I really appreciate your efforts. Also, all the details for my outfit and my makeup will be in the description box below so that you can check it out. And yeah, with that I'll finish this vlog right here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. अभी कोई रहता है तो फिर मुझे शर्म आती है. कौन है तू?
कैमरामैन आमिर ज़रीफ के साथ मुबारका ज़रीफ सावधा.